Have you ever felt like you're stuck? Like no matter how hard you try, your life just keeps circling the same pain, the same disappointment, the same heartbreak? Maybe you've been betrayed, lost a job, or felt invisible. Maybe you carry guilt, shame, anxiety, or you wonder if things will ever get better. I want you to meet Maya. Maya has been struggling for years. She's raised her kids, worked long hours, sacrificed her dreams. She's been betrayed by friends, let down by promises. She's lost faith in many things: health, money, relationships. She's cried many nights thinking, is this all there is? One night, after her children were asleep, she opened her Bible. She longed for hope, for something real, because life had offered so many empty answers. She read story after story, psalms after psalms, but nothing seemed to punch through the heaviness inside. Then she turned to Job, and she saw Job 8:7. Then what you had in the past will seem small compared with the great prosperity you'll have in the future. Something stirred. It felt like God speaking directly to her wounded heart. Maya didn't wake up the next morning with everything changed. Her rent was still late. Her worries still shouted. But she made a choice. She would stand on God's word. She whispered those words from Job 8:7 every morning. What I had in the past will seem small compared with the great prosperity I'll have in the future. She repeated them when anxiety tried to steal her peace. She said them when her health felt weak. She said them when the phone never rang, or when failure seemed closer than success. And slowly, just slowly, something started to shift. One day, she got a message, a friend offering help. Another day, an opportunity at work she thought she had missed. She found new strength to forgive, to move forward, to believe again. Though still imperfect, still messy, the darkness didn't have the same power over her. She discovered that God is faithful, not because everything was good, but because even in the storms, He kept His promises. She saw that what she thought was big in her past, losses, fear, shame, mistakes, looked small when set beside what God had prepared: restoration, hope, peace. If you're watching this, maybe you are Maya. Maybe your past feels loud. Maybe your future looks uncertain. But I want you to know, Job 8:7 is for you. It's a promise that your story isn't over, that the pain you carry, the burden you bear, they do not define your destiny. God sees you. He is with you. And He wants to give you something greater than your past, a future filled with hope, faith, and healing. So today, stand on His word. Say it out loud. What I had in the past will seem small compared with the great prosperity I'll have in the future. Because even though things may not change overnight, your trust in God changes you. And in time, your testimony will shine. How God carried you through, and how your latter days became more glorious than the former.